Good morning everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to today's class. This is K. Umarani working as English lecturer in Satyam College of Education. In our last video class, we came to know about the detailed study of GTM method, that is grammar translation method of teaching English, propounded by Professor Carl Julius Plotz. So, in today's class, we are going to know about direct method of teaching English. It is advised by Maximilian Berlitz. Without getting late, let's get started. Okay, right. Direct method is also known as natural method, phonetical method, anti-grammatical method, and reform method. So, the direct method is named direct because meaning should be connected directly with the target language without translation into the native language. So, the teacher who selects this method to teach a foreign language in the classroom, she or he uses direct method of teaching a foreign language, especially a modern language, through conversation, discussion and reading in the language itself. That means without the use of a pupil's language. She never uses the native language or a mother tongue of students to translate the target language. She uses only the target language to teach and make understand to the pupils only in a target language. Okay. Whatever concept or meaning is going to teach by the teacher, she teaches only in the English language. The classroom instruction is conducted only in the target language. That means the new teaching points are introduced only orally and English to English itself. Okay, here teacher never translate the words and sentences in any other language. Okay, so teacher teaches every word and sentence, everything in a target language. She never explains in any other language except in English. So let us know what are the principles of direct method of teaching English. The first and foremost principle is translation. Students are not allowed to use their mother tongue language. That means inhibition of mother tongue, that is, as far as possible mother tongue is not used while teaching English language. The teacher should be associated with its meaning directly without the assistance of mother tongue. Okay, so that is called the translation. The students are not allowed to use their mother tongue in the classroom, in English classroom. Okay. The second principle of direct method is grammar. In direct method, the emphasis is laid on functional grammar and not on the theoretical grammar. Hence, grammar is taught indirectly and inductively. It means teaching language starts with example and asks the learner to find rules. So, here teacher follows the inductive method of teaching grammar. So that's why grammar is taught inductively. The learner should figure out the rule through the example given by the teacher. The next principle of direct method is conversation. Speaking is taught first before reading and writing. Students should speak at least 80% of time during the lesson. Here, teacher creates an English atmosphere in the classroom by dividing the students into groups, and pupils are given some conversational dialogues on different characters like teacher, student, shopkeeper and customer, bus conductor and passenger. In this way, the learner picks up fluency in speech and they acquire good pronunciation. That means speaking makes a practice to students to speak English language in fluent way. Okay, and the next principle is context or situation. Here, The teacher is actively involved in using the language in realistic everyday situation. Students are introduced to the ways of life of target language, that is L2. So here teacher uses the new vocabulary, that means new vocabulary is taught after careful selection of context and suitable situation. That means teacher makes the students to acquire new words in the target language directly, that means without the use of mother tongue, without the use of pupils language. So thereby students are going to be practiced well and learns how to respond in the target language wherever necessary in their daily life. The words and phrases are also taught at definite stages through spoken languages. So the context and situation is one of the main principle of direct method. And the last principle is target language. Target language. Students are encouraged to think in the target language as this method requires English atmosphere in the classroom, as we all know. But so it's a part and parcel of teacher to aim establishing a direct bond between experience and expression. A direct bond between experience and expression. In direct method, the teacher should think directly in English and speak English language and make every student in the classroom to think English words, to write English words and to speak in English language and to understand in English language only. Okay, right. So students, let us move towards what are the advantages and disadvantages of direct method of teaching English language. So the first advantage of direct method is students are encouraged and motivated to use L2 spontaneously. Yes, so because teacher selects a language to teach in the classroom only the target language, that is English language, and students are not allowed by the teacher to use other than the target language. That means while teaching or explanation or conversation, discussion which is goes on in the classroom, everything is going to be instructed and explained only in the target language. That's why students are encouraged. That means whatever if the students want to speak or students want to need anything, that is going to be speak in English language itself. That's why the spontaneously students are automatically going to start or speak English language without the inhibition of mother tongue. And what may be the disadvantage of direct method? Lack of teachers that interested in using direct method. Not many teachers creative to create their own mistakes or own materials. That means there are some teachers who are not able to explain the lesson only in the target language, because some of them may be untrained teachers or ineligible teachers. For that type of teachers, direct method is not suitable to create or to make their own material in target language. Okay, and the next advantage of this method is next advantage is its emphasis on speech made it more attractive for those who have needs of real communication in the target language. Yes, damn sure, because we can see here the active participation of learners is there, because teacher use audio visual aids, actions, demonstrations, conversation, discussions are all going to be made in learning lively and interestingly by the teacher with the help of the students, and only, that is also carried only in the target language. That's why this method creates the target language atmosphere and makes more attractive for those students or those teachers who need real communication in the target language. Hence they acquire fluency of speech in the target language. And what is the next disadvantage is the direct method ignores written work and reading activities, and sufficient attention is not paid to reading and writing skills. Yes, because direct method ignores the writing work. So teacher is not giving a writing work to the students, and reading activities is also not giving to the student. There the what you call listening and speaking is given more attention. That means students are expected to listen the English words and translate into the English words to English language and speak English language in a fluent way. That's why reading and writing is not given much importance in the direct method of teaching English language. And let us come here. The next advantage is it make learning process interesting and fun, because direct method encourage using realia during learning process. Yes, so because students acquire more knowledge by creating that means by watching audio visual aids and actions, demonstration, conversation, everything in the target language. That means without giving much importance on writing and reading, and gives more importance on listening and speaking, make practicing, and by encouraging the realia words, that means the objects which we are going to use in our daily life, they are going to be taught in a target language, or by bringing all that materials into the classroom and pointing out that objects, teacher is going to be teach what we call that objects in the target language. Okay, and here next disadvantage is in large class direct method is not properly applied, not to satisfy the needs of individual. Yes, it is not suitable for all the students in the classroom, because we may see the three types of students in the classroom. That means three levels of students in the classroom: average, above average, and below average. Is it not? So here it is not suitable to all these students to acquire the knowledge of target language in a same extent as the above average students acquire. Is it not? So why it is not suitable for a large class, and take individual care by the teachers in the classroom. Okay, so here the next advantage is students are able to understand what they learn. It focus on meaning, not the rule. Yes, because teacher is going to be teach the grammar or the language only in the target language, and using the inductive method of teaching grammar. That means teacher is expected to give the examples first, carried by rules. That's why students are able to understand what they learn and what they are going to be understand in the foreign language. English language is taught exclusively in the direct method, because students part is more than the teacher part. Okay, and then what is the disadvantage of direct method? Direct method is not suitable for public school because it is costly. Realia visual materials needed. Yes, because it is not possible to all the public schools who are not able to provide audiolingual materials are realia materials or any other materials which are useful to make the students to learn target language, and that's why it is one of the disadvantage of direct method which is not suitable for public school. Okay, so this is about advantages and disadvantages of direct method. If you have any doubts, you can message me through WhatsApp. Thank you.